If you are facing problem to opening the Roblox app on your computer, this tutorial review will show you how to fix Roblox not launching problem. Solution number 1. Restart your computer. Click on the Start menu and click on this power button. Restart your computer and then try to relaunch your Roblox app. The second solution is delete the Roblox app data folder. Press the Windows key and E and the file explorer will open here. Now click on local disk C and click on users. Click on your username. Click on app data. Here you will find the Roblox folder. So right click on Roblox and delete the Roblox folder. And then try to relaunch your Roblox app. Solution number 3. Run the Roblox application as administrator. Click on this search icon and type Roblox. And right click on Roblox and click on Run as Administrator and hope your Roblox app will launch now. And next solution is disable proxy. Another reason for Roblox not working properly is that you are using a proxy server. To solve it, disable proxy settings. Click on this search icon and type proxy and click on change proxy settings. Now disable this, use setup script and use a proxy server options from here and then relaunch your Roblox app and hope these solutions will fix your problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.